brokenness. I'm not alone in my brokenness. We're not alone in our brokenness. We're not alone in our brokenness.